Hi everybody! Welcome to Axis at Home. My name is Yuko. I am a dancer for Axis. Today, I would like to introduce flying bird breathing exercise. Benefits of breathing are increase awareness, manage emotion, calm nervous system, and more. Today, I am going to coordinating easy movement with our breath, and we can practice together. First, find a nice comfortable sitting position. Nice long and tall spine. When you take a deep inhale, bring your upper limb up to the skies and gaze up. And when you exhale, bring them down. One more time. Deep inhale and exhale. One last time. Take a deep inhale like a flying bird and exhale. Great. Now we're gonna play with speed. When you take a deep inhale, quickly your upper limb up and exhale slowly. One more time. Deep inhale, quick. Exhale, slow. Good. We're gonna try opposite. When you take a deep inhale, slowly rise your limbs up. And when you exhale, quickly down. Try again. Slow and quick. Good. So now, reach your upper limb, side of your body. Looks like a bird soar in the sky. Take an inhale. And when you exhale, shoot to the side and you gaze up. You stretch inside of your body. Inhale to come up. And exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. One last time. And exhale. Slowly come back and relax your upper limb. Thank you for joining me today. Please stay safe and healthy. See you next time.